It's really simple to create an interactive dock menu like this, and I'm going to show you how. I'm inside of Elementor, and you can add this widget from the Angie prompt library. Make sure you've installed and activated the Angie plugin that you can get for free. You need an elementor.com account to use it, and then go over to Angie and go and click Home. Now, what you want to do is click All Prompts, and then scroll down until you get to the interactive dock menu widget, or you could search for it. Just search for menu and it will come up. Now, you can either click Copy, then go over to a page, insert it and use Angie, and I'll show you that. Or you can copy it directly from the prompt, which is inside of this pane. And I now want to talk you through exactly what I did. So I went and pasted that prompt, but I added in a little bit at the end just to say, ensure this does not cause any critical error or any issues on this site or the web page. And then I ran it. And after you've reloaded the page, because that's what it will ask you to do, you're now going to see interactive dock menu. But what I found was that when you hover over it, the container it sat inside also growed as well. So as you hover and you move, the icons inside of there grow a bit, and it calls the container to shift. So I literally just said, can we just fix that? And then Angie went and updated it. If I now show you the widget, this is basically what you got. I got my separate dock items. Now, this isn't your WordPress menu. This is where you can go and build out your menu how you want. So if you want to have items that aren't inside of your theme appearance menus, you know, inside of WordPress, you want to build out your own menu. The beauty about this is you can add whatever icon, wording, description, however you want to do it. What's your magnification scale? So I've gone for 1.5, your effect distance, your styling. You can manage all of that here. Now, what if though you wanted to have different colors per item over here? I could just go back and say to Angie, for every single item in the menu, can we now allow me to stylize it independently? And it would then build it for you. And it all started with this prompt inside of Angie's prompt library. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. Go and have a look. Take care. See you soon. Bye.